Hi all, this is S.M. Prem Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Kamadena Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. In this video, I have to take a class about statements and connectives. Statements. The object language contains a set of declarative sentences which cannot be further broken down or analyzed into simpler sentences. These are the primary statements. Only those derivative sentences will be admitted in the object language which have one and only one of two possible values called truth values. The truth values are true and false, denoted by the capital letters T and F respectively. Occasionally, they are also denoted by the numerical numbers 0 and 1. The two possible truth values logic are called two-valued logic. Statements can be classified into two types: primary statement or primitive statements, molecular statement or compound statements. Primary statement is a statement which do not contain any connectives. Molecular statement is formed from primitive statements by using the connectives and, or, if and only if. Statements will be denoted by distinct symbols selected from the capital letters A, B, C, D. For example, the statement "it is raining today" is denoted by the capital letter P. It means that P is the statement "it is raining today." Here we have to see the connectives: negation, conjunction and disjunction. Negation. The negation of a statement is formed by introducing the word "not" at a proper place in the statement, or by prefixing the statement with the phrase "it is not the case that." If P denotes a statement, then the negation of P is written as tilde symbol with P and read as not P. If the truth value of P is true, then the truth value of negation P is false. Also, if the truth value of P is false, then the truth value of negation P is true. Truth table for negation. The statement P has a truth value true and false, then the negation P has a truth value false and true respectively. Consider the statement P. London is a city. Then the negation P is the statement "it is not the case that London is a city." Normally, negation P can be written as "London is not a city." Alternate symbols are used to denote the negation, or as negation symbol or not, so that the negation of a statement is written as negation P or not P. Negation is called a connective, although it only modifies a statement. In this sense, negation is unary operation which operates on a single statement. Conjunction. The conjunction of two statements P and Q is the statement which is read as P and Q. The statement has the truth value true whenever both P and Q have the truth value true, otherwise it has the truth value false. Truth table for conjunction. Here P and Q are the two statements has the truth value true true, true false, false true, false false. The result will be true false, false false. Because P and Q has the truth value true, the result will be true, otherwise the result will be false. For example, translate into symbolic form the statement "Jack and Jill went up the hill." First we have to rewrite the statement "Jack went up the hill and Jill went up the hill." Here Jack went up the hill denoted by the statement P and Jill went up the hill denoted by the statement Q. The given statement can be written in symbolic form as P and Q. Alternate symbols are used to denote the conjunction, or as and symbol or a dot symbol or and the word and, so that conjunction of a statement P, Q is written as P and Q or P dot Q or P and Q. Conjunction is binary operation which connects two statements to form a new statement. Disjunction. The disjunction of two statements P and Q is a statement which is read as P or Q. The statement has the truth value false whenever both P and Q have truth value false, otherwise it has the truth value true. Truth table for disjunction. Here the two statement P and Q has a truth value true true, true false, false true, false false. The result will be true whenever any one of the statement has truth value true, otherwise the result will be false. Alternate symbols are used to denote the conjunction or as or symbol or a plus or the word or, so that conjunction of a statement P comma Q is written as P or Q or P plus Q or P the word or with Q. Conjunction is binary operation which connects two statements to form a new statement. Thank you.